Michael, tell me, what are we grilling today?
We're going to grill kangaroo.
Okay, so what are we going to do with this? Tell me everything.
We're going to make this with the polenta, which we have to do first. Then we're going to do with a mixture of vegetables. And then from one of your sauces with the whiskey, the ananas sauce.
Okay, so let's start with the polenta.
So now we're over here at the grill. We're going to throw in the butter first. And we're just going to mix this with the water, 2 litres. So let's give this a couple of minutes. So now we've got the butter dissolving in here. We're all ready to go. It's boiling. We're going to add the polenta, stir it through, let it thicken a little. And now we're just going to get that, as you can see, it's just thickening. So it's quite nice. Now we're going to use the cheese in there. Yep, we're ready to go. And it's going to come off now. So now we're just going to take it from the grill, put it over there on our baking tray.
How much time do we need to set the polenta?
30, 35, 40 minutes. Enough. So we've got the polenta about 4 or 5 centimetres thick. Let's put it back on the grill. So now we're ready to take it off the polenta off the grill. Second phase complete, and then we'll let it rest.
And now we have to cool it down.
Just cool it down, and then we're just going to cut that and grill it.
So you actually can do it the day before, and the next day you can cut it in pieces and use it as a barbecue snack, like this.
Yeah, we can do that. Perfect. And we're going to use this as a glaze for the kangaroo. We're going to start off with a little bit of salt over the top. Give it a mix. And put it on the grill. So let's close this up for a bit and we'll get a bit of temperature in there. So we're going to go back to this now. We're going to start off on the wok and turn the meat over.
You know, not enough oil, I think. This is the first time I'm grilling kangaroo. Can we also eat it rare, medium rare?
Yep, absolutely. Nice red game meat. Perfect. Throw a little bit of zucchini in here. A little bit of salt, of course, like we always do. Shiitake. Some daikon. One minute on the grill with the glaze. Add a little bit more garlic now, since we're near the end. The pak choy, since we're near the end. And a little bit of the spring onion. 30 seconds off.
Okay. Polenta.
Now we're going to close this up. We're going to let it finish. We've got the meats running down the grain. We've got to cut against the grain of the meat. So as we can see,
looks
nice,
great.
Beautiful meat. The glaze is quite nice, so we're cutting that through really nicely right now. Nice, beautiful red meat. We've finished slicing this up. Still resting just a little bit. And the polenta, so we can go with that now. And we can go straight onto the plate with the polenta. We're going to have a little bit of the whiskey and orange apple sauce that we have here, a little bit sweet. Zucchini, shiitake mushrooms. Nice little mixture of flavours just sitting in there. Our rare to medium rare kangaroo. And there we are.
So this is actually the dish that you guys eat on your Australian barbecue.
Beautiful kangaroo.
With polenta and with stir fry from wok. Have a bite, have a taste. Did you try it?
I think we should have a try.
Yeah. Does it taste like Australian kangaroo?
With a little Polish touch of apples.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Michael. I'll see you next time. That was wonderful, inspiring dish.